Hello, good morning students. Welcome to this class on AICTE activity points. I think we received a letter in 2019, August 2019, 2 years back, that from YouTube, stating that earning of activity points for the award of degree for students admitted under 2018 regulations. Means those who have taken admissions from in 2018, whether it is direct first year or lateral entry, okay, and beyond 19, 20, those people, this is applicable. Not applicable to those who are joined in 2017, 2015 scheme, those who are joined, for them it is not applicable. I will read out, it is a very beautiful letter. The preamble is, apart from technical knowledge and skills, to be successful as professionals, students should have excellent soft skills, leadership qualities, and team spirit. So, students should develop, technical knowledge is main. Apart from that, you should have soft skills, leadership qualities, and team spirit. They should have entrepreneurial capabilities and societal commitment. In order to match these multifarious requirements, AICTE has created a unique mechanism for awarding activity points over and above the academic grades. Every day college regular student admitted to the 4-year degree program and every student entering 4-year degree program through lateral entry shall earn 100 and 75 points respectively for the award of degree through AICTE activity point program. So, those who join first year, they have to get 100 activity points. The lateral entry, 74 points. Students transferred from other universities to 5th semester are also required to earn 50 activity points from the year of entry to BTU. This is applicable to BE, BTech students taking admissions starting from 2018-19, regular 19-20, okay, and lateral admissions, and those joining 5th semester in 2021. So, day college student 100 points, okay, lateral entry 75, any transfer from university 50 points. The activities can be spread over the year duration of the program, anytime during the semester weekends and holidays. Okay. As per the interest and convenience of the student from the year of entry of the program. However, minimum hours specified must be satisfied. In case student fails to earn AICTE activity points, 8th semester grade card shall be issued only after earning the required activity points. Students shall be admitted to the award of degree only after the release of 8th semester grade card. So, if you want 8th semester marks card, then you should have this clear activity points. नहीं मिलेगा. If वो नहीं मिला तो degree PDC convocation नहीं मिलेगा. Clear? So now what is this activity points? I will read out this. There are 15 points in that. What you can do? What every year you should have done. I had told, I think, with mechanical students, I had a long discussion earlier on this. And you have done also. You people have some energy conservation you have done. You have done on energy, reducing energy usage. What about you three people? Some tourism also we have given some work on tourism we have discussed. So please be very serious because we cannot be repeatedly telling this. Take cognizance of what is being told. Otherwise tomorrow you will land in trouble. We will not be in sight that time. So I am making it very categorically clear, and I will upload this recording on the Google Classroom also. So this has to be done on the weekends, holidays. So every semester you should do 80 to 90 hours. Every semester like 80 to 90 hours. And what is this? And who is going to keep record? Now first point will come, any government, this is a government university, VTU is a state university. So how you are going to keep the record? If you tell, that doesn't happen like that. So you need to have a proper, now suppose you have passed fifth semester, you have passed 6th semester. How you know? You will get a grade card. Okay, yes, pass. Correct? Na? There is some documentary evidence. Similarly, for this, documentary revision is a must. I'll read out. Now you can tell me from where you can get the documents. You have to do some work, and there are 15. You can choose any one. First year 1, second year 1, third year, fourth year. You can choose one, or you can do one only for all the 4 years, different places. Got it? Huh? First, activity point क्या है? Helping local schools to achieve good results and enhance their enrollment in higher education, technical or vocational education. So if you go and help any local school, whether it is in Goa, whether it is Karnataka, not an issue. Whether you helped, then what will happen if you go and help improve results means you have to teach them something about computers, something about science, correct? Mathematics. So their results will improve. Who will give certificate for this? If you go and teach in some school, who will give certificate? School headmaster. Correct? If you know any school headmaster, you do some work and get the certificate. Right? First. You are supposed to do only one. But every year you have to do 80 to 90 hours, every year you are supposed to do.
So, but most of the schools are now online.
Mr. Aloysius Fernandez, I don't want to use foul language because I am recording this talk. I had told you long back. These points were discussed that time also. Every year you cannot come out with your own cock and bull stories. It was told to you very categorically that you are supposed to get the certificates. You have to do the work. First you do the work, na? If suppose I go and do 2018, you joined in 2018. I had told you that time, 19 May. You should have gone. That time lockdown was not there. See, please understand, it is your responsibility, not our responsibility. Okay? Second, I am telling you this, I am trying to make you understand this. Okay? Preparing an actionable business proposal for enhancing the village income. So who will give certificate for this village income ke liye? Very good, Gram Panchayat. If you go to the Panchayat, sit with them for some days, then what are the how people are making a living in the village, what is the income for the villagers, how to improve the increase, how to improve the sales. Now digital marketing is that people are marketing on Amazon, how to do that. Some good products are there, correct? This you can do, get a certificate from village panchayat. Developing sustainable water management system. Again at a panchayat level, you go there, how the water comes to the village, how it is distributed, how much it is consumed, how we can conserve, because most of the times during summer season water will be a scarce commodity. People have to buy water sometimes. So that whatever you have studied in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, you can tell them, correct? Now that is why there is an open elective system also now. Now these girls, they are studying energy and environment subject. They opted for that. Now because you can study interdisciplinary subject. You can study artificial intelligence, machine learning, you can study. Mechanical students. Okay, fourth one, tourism promotion innovative approaches. Now you are from Goa or Karwar, whatever it is. Here lot of potential for tourism. So there is a tourism department in Karwar. There is Goa also has a tourism board. You discuss with them how many passengers are coming, what we can do, how they come, where they stay. All this kind you can discuss something. Proposal. It's not that you are supposed to create something, but at least you can discuss and come out with a proposal. Correct? All right. That certificate will be given by those tourism development board. And there will be evaluation. After this, there will be like internship is evaluated, seminar is evaluated. There will be committee in the college who will evaluate you. Okay. Promotion of appropriate technologies. Some new technologies are there. Suppose now these girls are studying Internet of Things. Something new technologies are there. You are studying additive manufacturing, green manufacturing, 3D printing. So that you can suggest new technologies also. Okay. But you have to see, please understand, you are not able to appreciate because you are not in that psyche. तुम्हारा वो मूड में नहीं है तुम लोग अभी. तुमको समझना पड़ेगा कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और AICTE wants you to involve in social work. समय ना तुम लोग क्या सोचे, सर मैं सब्जेक्ट पढ़ता हूँ, इतना लाभ है, इतना सब्जेक्ट है, मैं पढ़ के पास होकर इंजीनियर बनता हूँ. नहीं, ये जरूरी है, इसके बिना तुम इंजीनियर नहीं बन सकता। समय है ना, ऐसे फालतू इंजीनियर लाखों में इंडिया में हर साल बनते हैं। तो फालतू कम करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू इनिशिएट दैट पीपल स्टूडेंट्स गेट इन्वॉल्व voluntarily. See, this is very voluntary, you have to do it. Then reduction in energy consumption. I think this you have done for 1 year. 1 year only you have done, na? So another 2 years you are supposed to do diploma entry. You have these fellows, what they have done energy consumption. They have gone visited some houses. They have collected the electricity bill. They have done some home audit. So in case there is a bulb, you please remove bulb and put LED. So what is the monthly consumption that they have taken? They have suggested some measures how to reduce energy wastage. They have told them, like you can paint, now the ceiling is painted white, light colored walls, light colored flooring. So see, today now I am taking a class, there is no fan, there is no light required, correct? But the class is going on, you can see me, I can see, correct? How you save energy, no? Otherwise there are places where they put AC. To skill rural population, number 7. So rural population, any skill like Internet of Things, whatever you know, artificial intelligence, machine learning, now a lot of new technologies are coming. Even your 3D printing, that is a skill. Some small company, if you tell them, they can make products. Suppose you take one mobile phone. Now the phone which is selling in large numbers, then some parts can be made by 3D printing also. Because here strength is not that important. Whatever you learn, that application of that is very important. Simply what has happened in all along, engineers are simply memorizing certain things, writing that in the exam, then forgetting it. And they come out as engineers. They don't have any team working skills, they don't have any soft skills. You know what is soft skill? What is soft skill? Dawson? What is soft skill? Soft? Like? Soft skill is how you deal with people. Hard skills means what you do. Like I polish my shoes, so that is a hard skill. I stitch my clothes. I iron my clothes. So this is all hard skill. Soft skill means not doing by hand, like how you talk, how you conduct yourself, how you deal with others. Okay? Personality, it speaks of your personality also. Then teamwork, of course, your projects and all, you will be doing as a team. That is very important. Correct? So these are very important, you know. And leadership qualities means when you go and approach any panchayat, or you approach any tourism department fellow, any households you approach, then they'll listen to you, you will have discussions. You develop leadership skills that way. Okay? Being silent, you see, every person has a unique personality, including me, I am telling you. Every person is unique. God never created two people alike. All are different. But we have to live in a society. So when we stay in a society, we have to behave properly. No? Suppose you are traveling, Alexis is traveling by bus. This fellow, somebody he stands like, quarrels with the neighbors. Not good, no? I think you are doing that. Because your behavior I can make out. Here also your behavior is like this. So in bus also your behavior will be like that only. Okay. Now, 8th is facilitating 100% digitized money transactions. Like now that Bhim app, Paytm. I myself don't know, I'll tell you. I have got only Paytm with me. I don't have that Google Pay with me. So wherever I go, I'll scan Paytm and give. Some places they don't take Paytm. Then I'll be in trouble. So Google Pay also is there. You have to educate people. I myself don't know, I'm telling you. So we have to educate people. That also you can do some villages, houses. You can install the app. You can install the app. You can show them how to use the app. 9th, setting up of information imparting club for women leading to contribution in social and economic issues. Now what happens, you know, this especially now government is focusing on women empowerment. 50% population are women. but most of them are like villages, small towns and all, they are confined to their houses. So for them, the economy is required, some money is required. So how to have small clubs, self-help groups, so that you can improve their economic this. Now you are educated, you will get some jobs, you will grow, right? So you have got some economic independence. Otherwise, if you are not educated, then you are depending on your parents in the beginning, then your husband. Hai ki nahi? So you can take some certificates from self-help groups also. NGO they call, non-governmental organizations, NGOs. They are doing this work. You can tie up with that also and get some certificates. Got it? Pardon? Yes, sure. Sir, my sincere opinion is, please honestly do this. You will get your degree, no doubt, but you will learn many things in that. How to deal with people, how people reciprocate, how they behave. You will learn many things in that, I am telling you. It will help you a lot. Not only just for the sake of your degree. You will develop so many contacts. You will improve your network. Correct? Today, in today's world, network is equal to net worth. I repeat, your network is equal to your net worth. If your network is big, good, your worth is otherwise. Correct? Yesterday I made a call, that fellow gave me something. You saw that? Because I have that network, I am getting. Then developing and managing efficient garbage disposal system. That also nowadays, like different types of bins they have made, dry garbage, wet garbage, how they dispose, like solid waste management, composting they do. You can plan something and do it, not an issue. Again with a Gram Panchayat level. To assist the marketing of rural produce. See, in Goa, Karwar I have seen, lot of women, they will be standing on the road with flowers. You have seen that mala, something they call. Poor ladies, why they should be standing? Full day they will be standing, selling mala. You have done, Mr. Aloysius, you better stand there once. Then you will understand. What you have seen? What you have seen? You sell, man. You take that and sell first. Not seeing. Seeing is different. You have to get into their shoes. Then you will understand how difficult it is. So, why they should be standing in the hot sun the full day to sell 200 rupees mala? There can be some other agency, na? Huh? Fish also, how they sell, you see, why it should not be organized? Apps are there now, you order. I was watching TV at home, Licious, some advertisement is coming. Order at home, that some Anil Kapoor advertisement is something, correct? Good concept. Think, man, engineer is not reading some subjects, by hearting and writing. That is not engineering. Engineering is how you help somebody, how you help society with your knowledge. Tomorrow these girls will join software companies. So they write programs. Now whatever these apps we are using, whatever mobile we are using, lot of software has come to, Paytm we are using. How nice. Button, scan, send. So convenient it is. So somebody has developed, Got it? Now I am not saying you develop the entire system, but at least educate people. Food preservation, packing. Big thing like areca net, some paper plates. Be sustainable, please understand. This earth is not going to last long. Neither we are going to last, nor the earth is going to last. The way man is dealing with, and you see, man is not the bloody owner of this entire planet earth. There are birds, there are animals, there are fishes, marine life, correct? You are the owner of this planet earth, then, but man behaves as if he owns the entire planet, correct again? This itself is wrong. Man behaves as if he owns the, मेरा land है, तेरे बाप का land है, साला बनाया क्या तू land? नहीं ना? हमने बनाया नहीं. Actually, we are all consumers. The primary producers are plants. In this ecosystem, I think you have studied that subject. In the ecosystem, plants are the producers. Animals are the consumers. What you have produced? Got it? Then automation of local activities. I was telling you na, this especially activities which are very strenuous, like earlier digging trench and all was manually done. I think you know that, na? But today the JCBs have come. Correct? So they are very user friendly and the human effort is reduced. This is also engineering, application of engineering only. Then spreading public awareness under rural outreach programs. Government of India has got so many programs. Can you tell me any programs? Government of India ke? Swachh Bharat, Digital India, Make in India, correct? Family planning program, women education, women and child health care. So many programs there. Huh? Skill India program. Correct? That awareness again at a panchayat level. And contribution to any national level initiative of government like Digital India, Skill India, Swachh Bharat, etc. Okay. The consolidated report of activity points earned by the students shall be sent to the university. Report has to be sent. So you need to generate the report, we have to send the report. Okay? This content of the circular is applicable to both affiliated colleges as well as autonomous college. Hence, the principal of colleges are informed to advise and guide the students in this regard. So, I am guiding you. I have guided you earlier also, but today also I have guided you. For those who have not come, for the benefit of those students who could not come today, I have recorded this talk and I will upload it on Classroom as well as YouTube if possible. So, any doubts, please ask me. Tell me what you want to do. One by one, let me know what you want to do. Mr. Alasier, what you want to do? Now the 15 points are there. First one you have taken a reduction. Which activity you have selected?
Sir, before I have done energy consumption, so now I am looking towards the tourism.
Very good. Now you can go for tourism ke liye. So you can in so many initiatives have taken place in Goa for tourism. Hai na? Very good. What about you, Pawan? Achha, you are already doing. Okay, you can get some certificates for them. What activities, social activities you are doing. Very nice. Mr. Sagar? Tourism promotion. Okay, you come out with proper plan, deal with people, hai na? How you make an app or you make a software, something, website, something, do something good. Yes, Dawson? Very good. Small businesses to grow. Excellent. Tourism promotion. Acha, Vaishnavi? Acha, your knowledge dissemination you want to do. Very good, very good. Then? Food preservation you can do. Food preservation, very good. So, nice that all students have selected some area. So, but this is for every year once. Means some 80-90 hours, one. Next year you can take another one. But now already 3 years you have to do. And get the proper documentation. So what we have done, Manjunath sir and myself, yesterday we came, last 2 days we were working on that. We have yesterday given a Google form. I think you have seen the Google form link. So because I don't know what is there in future, we have kept a Google form. You fill your data, what you have done, 2018 which is activity point, 19, 20, 21. So you have to tick one first. 18 activity, 19, this all 15 activities are listed there. First ticking ho gaya. Then second part you have to write, report you have to write. Third, we have kept a portion for uploading your certificates. So you have to upload a certificate also. And last, upload your report also. Correct? So all, you can upload your report, you can upload your certificate, you have to type what you have done, take that paragraph, and then you have to tick mark the activity what you have done. So this way I want to capture all the activities what you have done for the 4 years. So that when the university asks for that, I can send that to them. Is it clear?
Activity points are reduced to 50 and 25 now. So to do only 3 according to
Yeah, that you can see.
So and detailed write-up it is about 40 pages. So we should start from 40 pages.
No. See, sir, please understand. Detailed write-up is different. There is something called abstract or synopsis. Please listen. Sir will tell you about abstract and synopsis when he is discussing about projects. Okay, the wisdom lies in that. Information is alag, wisdom is alag. Okay, any other questions, queries you have got? Okay, so thank you very much. I think I will request Manjunath sir to speak on projects.